making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, yeah. Things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, things we're making Thursday, yeah.
Good morning. How is everyone today on this wonderful Thursday morning? It's Teresa with Critters Crochet, and today is Things We're Making Thursday, Things We're Making Thursday, Things We're Making Thursday, yeah. So that jingle at the beginning was made by Jess from J Hook Magic and her husband, and we love that jingle. It stays in our head. I go around singing it all the time when I'm working on my Things We're Making Thursday projects. I'm singing that song, sometimes out loud, sometimes in my head. But I love the jingle. Thank you, Jess. But today I found a slipper pattern on Pinterest, and right now, at the top of my head, I cannot remember the designer, but I will go back and get it, and I will link the pattern in the description box. But these are the slippers. It's made with a 5 jumbo yarn, and I used a 5.5 millimeter hook. And I don't have the yarn down here with me, but I really don't even know the name of the yarn. It was a yarn in a mystery bag from, I believe, Hirschner's, and it didn't have a band on it. So I have no idea what yarn it was. But anyway, it was a variegated green and white. So you can see the variegation in the colors and the slippers. But I love the little scalloped edge to it. Real cute. Nope, I just remembered it wasn't Pinterest. A friend of mine shared the pattern with me, and it was from All Free Crochet. That's where it was from, and I will link that in the description box. But real simple. It says a 1 hour slipper pattern, but it's super quick and super easy. And I think I probably got both of these done within an hour, if not less than an hour. So, but I will link those in the description box below, and they're real soft and squishy. And yeah, I love those slippers. So today I found out from another friend of mine that we live in West Tennessee. So there's a town called Jackson that's about an hour from here, and they have opened up. There's a new yarn shop there that I had no idea was even there. And so I called a friend of mine to see if she wanted to go today. And we are going to head that way, and we're going to go check out the new yarn store. And so, and maybe even hit Hobby Lobby and Sam's and just do some retail therapy today. And I will have, I'm hoping that I'm going to ask the owner when I get there if I can either take pictures or do a little video, and I can share that with you on tomorrow's video. So I'm hoping she will let me do that. And yeah, today it's been rainy here. The temperature has gone from like in the double digits teens to in the high 50s. And so today is supposed to get close to 60, but we're getting rain. And because it's warmed up so quickly, we've also got a pretty big fog going on. We're under a fog advisory of all the days, the day that we decide to get out and go shopping. So hopefully when the sun comes out, that fog will lift and it won't be so bad, and I won't have to drive in that. But yeah, no matter what, my friend and I are going to have a fun time yarn shopping. And Tina, if you're watching, my subscriber who lives in Jackson, if you want to, you can meet us today. The yarn shop is called Grinning Soul. That's the name of it. Grinning Soul Crochet. So I can't wait to go there. And like I said, if she gives me permission to video in her store and share on my YouTube channel, then I will do that and I'll show that to you on Friday. So I'm going to get off here because I need to finish getting ready to go. And I will talk to you guys again tomorrow. Have a wonderful Thursday. Love y'all. And if you've watched it all the way through, thank you so much for watching. I hope you will hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. I have plans for tutorials and many other things coming for this channel this year, and I would love for you to join in on all of it. So, just a real quick note for things we're making Thursday. We've continued it again this year. Now, last year, each month, the people that the creators who started this, they picked out a pattern each month for us to work on. Well, they're doing it a little different this year. Instead of picking out a pattern, they're just selecting a theme. And that theme is carried each month is a different theme. This month was slippers, and next month is blankets. So it can be something, if you've already created a blanket that you love, you've already crocheted or knitted a blanket that you absolutely love, and if you don't have a channel, that's okay. You don't have to have a channel to be a part of it. My email's in the description box. You can send me an email picture. Send me a picture through my email, and I will share that picture on my channel on Thursday, the next Thursday. And you can also include in the email the name that you would like me to use with your picture, and or just tell me you do not wish to include your name, and I won't include your name. So you can send me pictures, and like I said, it can be something you've already crocheted or knitted, and or it can be a pattern that you found and you're working it up and you're going to show your progress each Thursday on that blanket. So either way, send me progress pictures or send me a finished product picture, and I will be happy to share it on my channel each Thursday. So it's a lot of fun. I hope you guys will join in, and in the description box will be my email, and I will also have a list of each month of this year and what the theme is for each month. You do not have to be committed to every month. You can just pick and choose which ones you would like to participate in. So I hope you'll join in. Send me pictures. I already have pictures sent to me of the slippers that I'm going to put at the end of this video. So next month for January, I would love to see a lot more pictures that I can share on this channel of y'all's fabulous work, because I know it's going to be beautiful with blankets. So send me those pictures so I can share. And I will talk to you guys again tomorrow. I hope you have a lovely day, and thank you for your support. Love you guys so much. Have a blessed day, and I'll see you on Friday.